The angle of elevation is theta. And the angle of depression of the bottom of the same house is phi. Prove that height of the house across the street, this house, is equal to h, that is this h, into 1 plus tan theta cot phi. So, how we deal with these types of questions? Alright, so the first thing is how we deal with these questions. Step number 1, draw the figure. Figure up to the mark, you have made it, good. Step number 2, write those ratios which are mentioned in the question. That is, you take tan theta and cot phi. Step number 2, take tan theta and cot phi. Why did you not take tan phi and cot theta? Because what is mentioned here, you must use exactly that. Good. Next thing, what we should do, write these values. Now what is tan theta? Tan theta is this part. Now, since you can see this is a rectangle, 90, 90, 90, this is a rectangle, this is a small h. So what will be this part? This part will be capital H minus small h. Tan theta. Tan theta लिखेंगे perpendicular, that is capital H minus small h upon. Now comes the third step. Third step is name those sides which are not in the result to be proved but are a part of your construction. So this is tan theta perpendicular upon base, that is x. So this x is a part of my, sides of the ratios, means part of the figure, but it is not a part of the proof. I made a blue circle around it. Alright? I'll tell you the reason why. वापस आते हैं. This is phi. What will be this angle? Phi only, because they are alternate. It's a rectangle. So this side will also be x. So what will be cot phi? Now mind you, this is not tan phi but cot phi. So cot is base upon perpendicular. X upon h. X upon h. So I am not only solving this question for you, I am discussing the entire method. So step number 1, tell me, draw the figure. Step number 2, take only those ratios which are given in the proof. Step number 3, name those sides which are needed to write these ratios correctly but are not given in the question somewhere. So name those sides, like I have named x. Step number 4, final step, eliminate the unwanted elements, like x is not in this proof, so I will eliminate x. X is equal to h cot phi. So x is equal to h cot phi, and here x is equal to h minus h upon tan theta. So all you need to do is equate them. You will say that h minus small h upon tan theta is equal to small h cot phi. Multiply capital H minus small h tan theta cot phi. Now this minus h goes to that side, so h will be equal to h plus small h tan theta cot phi. So from here take h common, 1 plus tan theta cot phi. All right. Did you understand this thing?